Welcome back to First at 4. President Barack Obama says failing to reform the nation's health care system would virtually guarantee that insurance premiums and people's out-of-pocket costs will continue to skyrocket.
He's taking that pitch on the road to Ohio today, visiting the Cleveland Clinic and holding a town hall meeting on the topic. The president also tried to make his case last night in a primetime news conference. He told those who are sick they would be protected, but he also tried to reassure fiscal conservatives.
I'm not going to sign a bill that, for example, adds to our deficit. If you have health insurance, the reform we're proposing will provide you with more security and more stability. It will keep government out of health care decisions, giving you the option to keep your insurance if you're happy with it.
The president said today there will be no Senate health care vote by August, and that's okay, but wants people to keep working. Well, locally, some people have strong opinions on President Obama's health care plan. ABC 12's Liz DeWicki spoke to some of them today. And Liz, what are they saying?
Terry, as much of a hot topic as this debate has been on Capitol Hill, many we ran into, they didn't even watch the press conference last night. But for the opinions we did find, they were strong ones. And as the country splits on this issue, so did those we spoke with.
In a word, it's depressing. We have too many people who are uninsured. We have too many people who are having difficulty obtaining basic treatment. And it's a shame. It's very depressing.
Some changes are really going to help my husband and I. His approach seems to be a positive approach.
It's like Animal Farm. It always looks good on paper, but in the end, it doesn't ever work out.
Socialized medicine hasn't worked in the UK or anywhere else, so it's a good theory.
I don't have the solution. I think that's the problem, is that I don't have the solution, but I don't think this is the right solution.
And like we mentioned yesterday, there are more and more people like the Bars family who do not support this health care plan. In fact, a new Gallup USA Today poll says only 44% of those surveyed actually approve of the president's plan, while only 50% do not. The number one concern we heard from people in terms of a government-funded plan are those lengthy wait times and long-term costs. But again, as the president urged many to inform their legislators to pass this health care bill, those we spoke with, well, they weren't even tuned in last night, which may be a signal of an uphill battle for the president's health care plan. And you can sound off as well at ABC12.com. We have a poll up there related to the president's health care proposal. Liz DeWicki, ABC 12 News.